Yeah, Mutumbo, that means say, don't reach for play, we don't reach for play, we go reach for play, we go begin now. They fine Tori for day. And they did this way, they so a new week. So if it say happy new week, I also on a past weekend for some fine way. People where they come up for Nyamande, where they go for Wara, one day where they come up for Bafusa, for go for Nimbe, one day where they come for Utengre, for go for Tiko, one day where they come up for Tiko, for go for Boya. One day where they come up for Kuna Kuku, for go for that side, for Muyuka, with for Kumba. One day where they come up for Bamda Abakwa, for go for that side, for Betwa. Where they salona. Where they throw baby time salon for all kind of man, where all kind of thing, where go for that thing, where they go for that kind of thing, where they go for that kind of thing, where they choose that kind of thing that way, una like them. Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. We get Tori for una. The Tori for una, na human interest story. The one where we go talk for na body people the way after 45 years where they don't sit down together. That papa and that mommy they don't be 45 years. Then they decide say they go marry, sign white man book. And then another one for that side for here for Douala. So woman leave the kako for a pikin me salam. Una go know what to that pikin do with that kako with the mommy leave say me salam. Another one now wait. Now for that side, for Senegal, so woman, firstborn, he born 4 pikin. I say wait, 4 pikin. And then now my way, he talks say he must have been rape all the pikin then. We tell una which way he says on they talk now. And then, una don't forget, so small girl don't talk say they don't kidnap it. People they say na shema, say na that kind of thing way you don't go plan before it happen. So go tell una all that Tori, countryman, countrywoman. So Tori day, if una there una open una ear. If you are not come, una start with this story. The first story way we not for una na di reme and di repe. They don't shit on 1, 2, 3, 4. They don't born picking them 45 years. What they for married? What they together? That means that maybe don't be around that kind of. If you look at 45 years, they remain at 82 years. Remain. That means they remain married. They start stay with the man where they 38 years. If you already be 38 years, they stay with the man. And then the part 2 we don't be around that kind of 40 years. So remain be there 37 to 38 years, and the remain be already be 40 years. They start stay together. So today they don't decide. Will you want to marry me? Oh. Kikere, na for daido. For Douala with the one pass. Aujourd'hui c'est mon jour, mon appel ma galère pas mon jour. Et bien sole ma mère, mais tu devais regarder par terre. Et de bien estété, à bon sole me tourner. Et tu veux mes jours, tu vas mettre les barres sur mes doigts. Aujourd'hui c'est ma jour, on les met monsieur le maire. Avec seul mon verre, c'est le moment de mariage. On a décidé de marier. On s'est dit que de mariage. On a dit ne m'en quoi, ne te doguer, ne m'en quoi. Ne te plairer. Les lames de la joie. Et te plairer. D'arrêter donc grave. Et grave plenty. He said, after 45 years, 82 years now, I marry me. For Daido, for Douala here, the matter, people don't talk up. Say yes. This is what they call couple of the marriage and the marriage. For Douala, they do say banana barika so newa. That's why they talk that one. So congratulations for Papa Yongu and Mama Yongu. Papa in name, you know, so Mama and Master in name they take up. After 45 years, Fokan will stay, married, don't join them together. So now the major information that we'll get up. You know, never too late. You don't ever talk say don't late, you don't late. Anyhow a day, any man fit take your time. Repair and remedy, they don't take their time. 45 years before they sign their marriage certificate. Now so the matter they countryman, countrywoman. Matter, it don't pass me. It don't pass not only me, but it pass another people them way. It go pass that people the way. It pass them for way. The other people the way they be hear the story, they say they confused. If I talk so, when I talk say Papa ele ya eto'o. Because that when I talk say Papa ele ya eto'o, it give me the inspiration. Say ma continue for na kuna Tori. I did knock the tori now. Mommy don't carry small pikin a holiday this so that remain for sure if you talk about time school be. Mira pikin be na for school. He carry small boy pikin na either krang. He put her for business. He talk say, okay, me the pikin help you small. He want go buy something. He want buy thing le pikin. For corner they play where he say small biscuit then that biscuit kaka thing then. What happen? Ah, yeah. The thing don't pass me. The remember one come back. He begin to do it. He control. He don't take biscuit. He divide them for birthday place or birthday for corner. He carry biscuit for this and I own can do this. He that means say it turn on a nouveau rich for corner. He distribute for all that pikin for day. Say if you manger the biscuit, say the biscuit to my man, see my man. On la jungle, manger the biscuit to my man. The my man. He distribute them. The mommy come for day. He can't put hand for head. He put hand for head. As I tell Nana so, the mommy don't know what to do. If you now when the karate happen for una so, una go do how? What you una go do? The thing don't be for it don't be. You don't say begin say no, begin look at begin say that ma come say ma come. You just say the seller. It is say what you didn't say no, you don't take a distributor for birthday. You want to say, maman, il y avait l'anniversaire là-bas, j'ai donné des biscuits à beaucoup de gens là-bas, ils ont mangé, ils m'ont dit que merci. Mamie, do. Di mata tawa yera no, I love pass place. That means I love sauter. The thing pass my power. It passes my power. That means everything don't pass your power. It pass your power. Now so they think that everything pass your power. It pass your power. I read it down again. The one which it happened. It happened I say. I be tell una Sunday for you say so reme. When I come room man, he married some Nigerian man. Na married there we joking at the information. No me say anything there about that matter. What happen now, na say, Isa accuse him as say, he don't climb for on top skin for picking them. All picking them, you are waiting 14 months. Now that, they don't take the matter, they say, the matter don't serious. The man say a lie, the remedy say a true. Argument start. Now you do am, you no do am, I do am, I no do am, I do am, I no do am. Who do am? No man, no one accept for my way do am. Now that he continue. He go reach your place now. Say, may they continue the matter for the way the mafia go for Ngata. Papa God. As the thing happen so, it happen for where it happen. Now that, I say, Paula Karamata Karabata. The woman talk say, I don't want to say my mother go for prison. I know one time, my master not supposed to go for prison. That means say na shema. Without mommy make am. I remember sometime, Tawe Lapiro, the manga for blessed memory be go for United States for Buffalo. Some news come out, say Lapiro, if you don't climb on top of pikin skin, e me mommy with a pikin. I call Lapiro say no man, no worry, a pikin for a corner, I go, the pikin go talk himself. I call Apiro, he pass phone for a pikin. We talk for the interview. He say a lie. Say, mommy, the judge jealous say na because they carry he come for this side. If it is na he go come, but they carry another other mommy come. So na it happen. So the woman they accuse Simasa say he don't rape the pikin them. Now because say some matter day. Now because of some problem day, or they accuse him for something. Because na very serious accusation than that. To say your man, papa for a pikin. Don't claim table for picking them. So take 14 months old. The one, na very bad news. Now the woman say me they not lucky massa. Plenty people they talk say, no na you go decide. If they not go lucky massa, that means say ye self, they go lucky. Yes. Say ye they go lucky. That means say he know what he do he know what he na shema. If one surely made that man, me enter for mamulungulungwete, the man no enter for the malamangulungwete, Now that you don't go reach to play with us and say the thing will begin wrong. You don't begin talking and say, I don't want to send me the long mama, sir. I don't want to send me the long mama, sir. Oh, we'll follow the matter for now. Countryman, countrywoman. But it can matter. No matter where you enter for a table. Where we knock the door, we take care for the matter. We talk, we put gloves for our hand. Because man no, man no. Man no, yeah. Manipulation, if you come up for any order, any side, any kind of direction. Okay, for now. Now the woman for this side. For Senegal, na country. Some person tell me for you say they sleep. He don't dream say Senegal na a country. Na a dream country. I tell you say if you na sleep, if you na dream, we go for the sleep. He say no na palabra sleep and dream. Na say he be very serious. Say Senegal na a dream country. If the dream say tomorrow, if you go Senegal, stay small for Senegal. I say okay, we don't hear the story. If Senegal na a dream country, then fine. Now, one look at now, Tori can come out. Say for Senegal, some woman, some girl, 28 years. First milk, where you get up? The first milk, he go for go born. He make for go book picking, he go born. Now what's happen for the born? He born 4 picking. Now congratulations. Ovito say congratulations for the picking where you don't born. Now God don't give you power for born picking, no. Congratulations, now God give you. And so woman they find picking, they know they get congratulations, you be God bless you. That was how they sing my minister. So I'm a June no killing with zote many zote make yaki ma kaima kukui ma killing ma kabu about Juma zota radio killing over the radio at the singer for now. And then Tabula Roshore over say, oh, il est né lo bébé, oh, il ressemble à tonton. Oh, il est né le bébé, oh, il ressemble à maman. It depends anyhow you want to make up. Depuis le matin que de la maternité, elle a couché aux 4 enfants. Oh, il est né le bébé. Oh, il ressemble à maman. Now that begin and that 4. I know say when you born 4 begin so for we for ya. Governor and social service, they take their time for say, may they accompany you now. Because you know easy. 4 picking for one time. So one for that side for Mali, be born 9 picking for one time. 4 girls. 5 boys, 1 moment, so that woman not enter for Guinness Book of Record. So 4 na quadruplet. I don't know for you when na 2 pikin they call it say tiny. I don't know what they go call that woman and say crying. That means say tiny, quadrini. And then the master own to go be na no the woman will be the master own a quadrini, woman own a marketing. Yes, 4 picking. Congratulations for that. Me, you know, easy for Anga. We don't bond that picking. So, for that side for Senegal. What are the one? Na shema. I repeat up. We don't know what are the one. Na schematization. How would they call it for French? Some girl. We name na Nyandomo Manga Manuela. They don't send message or them send message for your phone for your family. Say they don't kidnap you. Say they kidnap you for that side for mobile or misport. Now the message is, Mama, on m'a kidnappé. Et demande 1,800,000. Sinon, dans 2 jours, il me tue. I send you. Now the number, send number. He send the number where they go send out 1,800,000 and then the person in name today where they don't publish our all place. Linda Mayang Angwe, wonderful palava. And then reaction for people them know a bas prendi. First reaction à Dimitri il talk say n'envoyez rien. Elle va rentrer. On l'a kidnappé, c'est elle qui demande la rançon. Another one when I want to say les jeunes filles de maintenant, on n'a plus confiance. Depuis quand on kidnappe à mobile au misport. And then the other boy say Shema. On a kidnappé. Oh. They begin na 24 years student, we be second year for that side for University of Soa. surely they do not law for the or an management on a law. He say come out for their house, 81 go and he pass through mobile on the spot. Now so they kidnap you. And then according to the saying, na kidnapper, they use the telephone, they send a message. If they may be the family or the advisor of getting a semi, they keep on sending message to that number or they call up. And then they see a judicial police. They go easily track the number for no. There is some small picking where be like say they don't kidnap you. He come for Douala. He didn't say so house where they enjoy himself with a friend them. Now that he just say the same again at 2 million. Now so the chino and papa don't talk say okay, no problem. They concord the number, they track them. Now for that side, for zone de Casama, where they make it encerclé. They see say they for us, it is 3 years. We friend them, the money they don't send the first one, we don't chop and we don't finish. He wants to send a different one. Now so your papa with the police them, they put hand for you. He wonder that papa. So if they so if he be saying a kidnapping, if he also be say na plot, because we see some call and they will enter a phone and then a WhatsApp call and then that other message, a WhatsApp message. Nobody knows so when people they kidnap, they call for their own number saying that they need this and that, then they pass you a picking, maybe talk with you for confirm. How na he say the same number for a reme, say they don't kidnap me. Now the number they will they say me send money for them, me send that money. Oh, what I want go in for one man country, we don't see a line, no. Man, no. But countryman, we need to be prudent. Now, police will tell you the matter exactly how it pass before we know how the thing is day. Tori, it day. The recording one say, matter arising. Which be the matter where it arising? Now, say, 5th Pro, it don't write with it, it don't write long book. The long book with 5th Pro right it talks say with it. It talks say they support Jeremy and Sorey in GTAP. And the Sorey in GTAP, Jeremy say that sanction way a disciplinary commission for Feka Food sanction them. We sanction and Secretary General that's until we not correct. Say CAF must enter the matter for Lucam, and then other one they must enter the matter for Lucam because according to them the sanction it be very heavy, and then the sanction, na some kind of sanction way, it go be for some sanction way, the sanction go be for the play way, it go be for way, they say, na politics, they enter the matter. But now, the question way, with the ask and I say, we will not see that communique, that press release. It is na for French. The matter with them, I say, no man no sign up. If na 5th Pro, send communique for us for support, Jeremy Sorenji tap, why 5th Pro no sign up? Now the question that way with the accent because normally 5th Pro is supposed for sign communication. Now we will send out na the man president for Africa 5th Pro, president for 5th Pro for the world because 5th Pro it collaborate with the 72 syndicates all over 72 countries. Now the rest of the 100 and something countries they didn't under another control. They know they for 5th Pro. Now 5th Pro say it manage 70,000 players. The other players them who manage them when I get the answer. So if not 5th Pro, why 5th Pro not sign the communique? Why president for 5th Pro not put the signature on top of the document? Why the Joe writer say 5th Pro the Joe write document for say they support GTAP? Now the question that way, all man the answer for no. Now say what happen for Saturday, Friday, Saturday, because that happen on Friday night, breaking Saturday morning, where some Bibin Gongoro, he go for that side for touristic, for a league sono, for Yaoundé. He go now for go put, he go give them petrol. So the Gongoro go, he pump petrol. What I wait to happen, where go happen for say the thing go happen, where the thing they go happen, before they go happen, say they go happen. Man no know. Because now only police, it go make enquête. It go make enquête. Where? French join. It go make inquiry. Voila. Police go make inquiry for tell you exactly what happened. Because you take a reach tomorrow. Man don't know what to happen. Now some man be the smooth cigar for corner that petrol. And now what happen? Electric. Now motor get what be the problem? Because damage where it cost them for the fire be been a fire for that Friday night way. It be bad prindy. It be bad prindy. It burn what they keep burn so they go papri. If you look that image for that side way come up for that pray for them and the way that the college they go show no. The thing go it go pass your power. Because it be bad, eh? Fire catches so they all people they run pray they know. Now some people they run pray they run that thing way for baby English that the college haters keta. They run haters keta. Any man they talk say for wait till I chop and not give you. My food wait till I chop and not give you. My food wait till I chop and not give you. Now till pass for day. The image may be wonderful countryman. So we still wait. Wait till police go talk before we know exactly what happened for that to the sick. What are wait to be the origin for the fire incident.